Welcome to the policypass video training module on the COVID-19 policy. This policy ensures a safe, healthy and positive environment by minimising the risk of COVID-19 and other respiratory illnesses for all children, families, staff and visitors. The aim of this policy is to reduce transmission through robust hygiene and cleaning practices, protect the health and well-being of everyone in the service, maintain quality education and care during outbreaks or increased risk, and ensure compliance with current health regulations and public health advice. Implementation includes promoting and practicing effective hand and respiratory hygiene, following exclusion periods for anyone with symptoms or confirmed illness, enhancing cleaning, disinfection and ventilation of all spaces, and keeping families and staff informed of any changes or health alerts. Management responsibilities include reviewing and updating the policy based on latest health advice, providing adequate resources for hygiene, cleaning and PPE as needed, ensuring all staff receive regular training on infection control, and maintaining clear communication with families and authorities. Educators and staff are responsible for adhering to all hygiene, cleaning and illness management procedures, modelling and teaching safe practices to children, monitoring their own health and staying home if unwell, and reporting illness or concerns promptly to management. Families are responsible for keeping children home if they are unwell or have symptoms, informing the service of any illness, diagnosis or exposure, following exclusion and return to care guidelines, and maintaining up-to-date contact information for communication. By working together, we keep our service community safe, healthy and resilient against COVID-19 and other illnesses. Thank you for watching this training module on the COVID-19 policy. Let's continue to prioritise health, safety and clear communication for every child, family and staff member.